Hey guys, Rich Bassini here, YouTube vlog creator. Today I want to talk about the software I use to make my videos, and I want to share that information with you guys. And before we get started, I just want to say welcome. It's the first time on my YouTube channel, and I also want to say thank you to all the new subscribers who've recently subscribed to my channel. It's greatly appreciated. I hope you like the content and you come back for more. Now, the software I'm talking about right now, folks, is Filmora 13, and the newest version is 13.6.4. And the reason why I'm sharing this video is because if you are a new YouTuber out there and you are, or you don't know what video editing software that you might want to check out, I highly recommend you check out Filmora 13. And just to throw a little disclaimer out there, nobody from Filmora had contacted me to do this video. I'm doing it purely out of the love for the program. I love it. I love Filmora 13. It is my go-to video editing software, and if you never tried it, you should. You got nothing to lose but everything to gain by making great videos. So that's what I have to say about it. I have nothing bad to say about it. Let's put it that way. Since I've been using it, and to be truthfully honest with you, I've been using it since the 8.76 version. So just goes to show you, I've been using it for quite some time, and I have made a lot of videos using this program. A lot. Okay, I've been on this platform for YouTube on YouTube since 2013, just to try it out there. And what does it make it 11 years now? And yeah, I have to honestly say I really am impressed with the new things, the new features they're adding. So before we get started, let me just go over here. I'm going to minimize myself over here, and we're going to go to their site. Okay, and there I am down there, and I put my glasses on because I went for reading. And I just want to, I'm going to do a mouse scroll here just to let you guys see, what some of the features are in here, and talk a little about it, okay, as we go here. They have, if you're new to it, and I'm sure you heard of it, but if you haven't gotten a chance to use it, you definitely should try the free download. Try it out, and you'll see for yourself. It's very user-friendly, and I tell you, like they say over here, make professional videos in a smart way. You can. I mean, believe me, what they're adding to this program is unbelievable, and I won't be surprised if as time goes on that they're going to call this Filmora Pro, which they should. I think they have the mobile version of it. I think it's called Filmora Pro, or maybe you could upgrade to Filmora Pro. But I'm talking about the desktop version, the one we're talking right now. I wouldn't be surprised they change it. They should call it Pro, whatever, Premiere Pro, whatever. I know it's Adobe Premiere Pro. I'm just trying to say, but I don't want to bring other companies in here right now. I'm strictly talking about Filmora here, but. If you haven't checked it out, you have to, like I said, you see over here it says remix in audio's enjoyable way, audio visualize, auto ducking, auto synchronization. They add a lot of new features, so let's put it that way, okay? So let's speed it up a little. I will drop the links in the comment section below for you guys to check it out, okay? And I'm sure you won't be disappointed, folks, and you have nothing to lose but everything to gain by making great videos, so seriously. All right, so this is what they got over here, and you can check this out at your own leisure. Okay, and here we are at the Pick Your Plans of Filmora. They have two. They used to have three, if my memory serves me right. Like I said, I haven't done this in a while. I mean, I do have at the two right now. What you see here, I always go for perpetual plans, and the reason why I do that, folks, is because with the perpetual plan, you get to enjoy, like at the bottom where it says PayPal over here, right underneath it, it says enjoy Filmora 13 updates. Export without the watermark, 1,000 Filmora AI credits, and 1,000 gigabytes. 1 gigabyte. 1,000 would be nice, right? 1 gigabyte of cloud storage, as opposed to the annual plan, which is $49 a year. And if you like that, there's basically the same thing over here. Keep up with the future versions. Export without watermarks. 200 Filmora AI credits a month, and you get 1 gigabyte of cloud storage. They also incorporated with the plans. It says Filmora Creative Assets. Now you could try it out for 14 days, just like it shows here. Then it'll auto renew at $19.95 a month, and you can cancel anytime, and that's for both plans. So if you're not sure, I would highly recommend you go with the perpetual plan. If you love it, try it out first. Okay, you got to try it out first to see if you actually love it. I mean, I know I do. Like I said, I've been using it since the 8.76 version. All right, and as I said earlier, I don't have any affiliate links with them, so if you guys go with either or of these plans, I'm not getting anything with it. But that's okay. I don't mind. Like I said, I don't mind doing, throw out a little blurb out here for the video editing software I use, especially if you're a new YouTuber and you don't, have a video editing software to create videos, or maybe you are using an existing one, you might not be too happy with it. I highly recommend you check this out. Now, at the end of the video, I'm not, like I said, I don't want to keep this video too long, but at the end of the video, I typed in, from ChatGPT about, new YouTubers should check into using Filmora 13. And I let the read aloud do it because it reads a lot better than I do. It doesn't make mistakes, So if you guys want to stick around, that's going to come up right after this, because I am going to end it right now as far as with me. And then if you could stick around, check it out. It's not long. It's not a long thing there. And if you like this video, before I do go though, but if you do like this video or any of my videos, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like, comment, share. And if you want to be updated as to when I post out new videos, please hit that bell notification icon. Okay, guys, this is Rich Bassini signing off. I'll talk to you guys soon. And that video is going to be coming up right now, the other part of it. So thanks again for sticking around, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.
New YouTubers just starting out should use Filmora 13 for their video editing. Filmora 13 is a great choice for new YouTubers, as it's user-friendly, affordable, and packed with features that can help create professional-looking videos without the steep learning curve of more advanced software. Here are a few reasons why it's suitable for beginners. 1. Intuitive interface. Filmora 13 has a clean, easy-to-navigate interface. New users can quickly grasp the basics of video editing, such as cutting, trimming, and merging clips. 2. Built-in effects and transitions. It offers a wide range of built-in effects, transitions, and filters that can enhance videos without the need for additional plugins or downloads. These can help new YouTubers create engaging content that stands out. 3. Text and titles. The software includes a variety of customizable text and title templates, making it easy to add professional-looking intros, lower thirds, and captions to videos. 4. Audio tools. Filmora 13 includes audio editing features like background noise removal, audio equalization, and music tracks. This helps in ensuring clear, crisp audio, which is crucial for retaining viewers. 5. Screen recording. For tutorial or gaming channels, Filmora 13's screen recording feature is a big plus, allowing users to capture their screen while adding commentary or overlays. 6. Support for multiple formats. The software supports a wide range of video formats, making it easier to work with footage from different cameras or devices. 7. Export options. Filmora 13 offers multiple export options, including direct uploads to YouTube, which is convenient for new creators who want to streamline their workflow. 8. Affordable pricing. Compared to more advanced software like Adobe Premiere Pro, Filmora is more affordable and offers good value for money, especially for beginners who may not need all the advanced features. For someone just starting on YouTube, Filmora 13 can be a powerful tool to help produce high-quality content without the complexity of more professional editing software.